In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram user not found. Now, if it is someone that you can't find on Instagram, you just have to click on the search button and then try to search their username. If you really can't find it, maybe they deactivated their account or disabled their account. That's why you can't find them. Another way is to ask that friend directly what happened to their account, or you can just type in their name, for example, if you don't know their username anymore. Like this. And then go to the accounts, and you will be able to see their new username. Now let's say you can't really find it. Another way to see that user is to go to your profile icon, go to the three lines in the upper corner. You just have to scroll down and tap on blocked. You may have blocked this person unknowingly. So in order for you to see their username again and see their content, you just have to unblock them. Now let's say it's your username that you can't really find. All you have to do is to log in to your mobile number or your email so that you will be able to log in to your Instagram account. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more. See you soon.